Hello, I'm Suraj and I'm SAP certified consultant. Talking about my education, so I have done the civil engineering and I was working in automotive industry where I work as a SAP end user. While my responsibility is like creating the purchase requisition, purchase order, creating the vendor master also, and also responsible for end-to-end procurement process. And yeah, that my experience with skill was very awesome, and all sessions and the training was very planned and it helped me to crack the interviews. I highly recommend to fresher to complete their training, and most important to complete the certification also, because the lots of companies asking about the certification. So the certification it is an advantage also for cracking the interviews. So yeah, I highly recommend it to all freshers to complete the certification. My training experience with skill was very awesome, and all the sessions and the training was very planned and it helps me to crack the interviews. Yes, definitely I recommend skills to a person who want to career in SAP and who has not any knowledge about SAP software, and or any guy from non-IT background. If he want, or if he or she want to make a career in SAP, definitely you have to go ahead with skills, because the skills has in terms of training, in terms of placement, in terms of guidance, that skills is the best institute for to crack the interviews and get a job in SAP.